Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to discuss about how to use nested integration procedure in Salesforce. Before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating a new integration procedure at first. So I'll be providing the name like nested integration procedure. There are two required things steps are like in to create a new IP like type and subtype. So I'll be providing the type as nested and subtype as integration procedure IP, and I'll be saving this IP. And in the available components, we can find in the action section another integration procedure action. So with this integration procedure action, we can invoke another integration procedure from within a integration procedure. So this will be a nested, and I have already created a IP, so I'll be using that one. So in this integration procedure drop down, we can search for that IP, like I'll be using this IP case details. So with this nested integration procedure, we can make many complex actions very simple way. So this will provide a so this will be under a single server code. So that will be very efficient in nature and performance wise. So let me show quickly this what is the IP that I am invoking from the parent IP is doing. So from this IP, so this the IP that we are invoking, that must be active, unless we can't use that in a parent integration procedure. So first of all, that needs to be activated. And in this IP, what I am doing, like using this data mapper extract, I am just retrieving one case ID, case record details based on the case ID. So we need to provide this data source input parameters of data source like case ID input, and based on this case ID, we can just retrieve case details. And let me show this data mapper extract as well quickly. I have already created separate videos regarding this, how to use these data mapper actions, how to create any data mapper actions, and how to use that data mapper actions in integration procedure, and also created videos like on try catch, how to use this try catch block in integration procedure. So first of all, this Omnistudio data mapper extract is doing like with respect to this case ID is getting matched with the case record ID, and we can, based on that, we can just fetch a few case related information field in the response. And let me just preview it once from the data mapper preview, and we can see this will be the response. Like this will show couple of case related information like origin status, case number, priority, the related account ID. So, and now I'll be just using this integration procedure to invoke this integration procedure that invokes the data mapper action. So let me add this response action as well, so that we can see the response. And let me copy the IP of the integration element name of the IP, and let me provide in the additional output response, and I'll be providing the node in the additional output like parent IP, and I'll be providing the element name of the IP in the merge syntax. And let me preview. And the thing is that we need to pass this case ID input to get the response, case ID input, and I'm just adding this key as case ID input. And let me copy the case ID as well. We can provide any case ID to get the case related information. So in the key I have put the case ID input, and the value I have provided that case record ID. And let me just execute this one, and we can find the response like in the parent IP. It's getting show all the related information for the case. So this is how we can simply use integration procedure within an integration procedure to making it nested. So that's all for this tutorial. Please stay tuned. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.